Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS4 controller to your computer for games like Fortnite. The most straightforward and reliable method is using a USB cable. Simply plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. Your computer should recognize the device almost instantly, allowing for a stable, wired connection. This ensures minimal input lag and a consistent gaming experience right from the start. If you prefer a wireless experience, connecting via Bluetooth is your next step. First, put your PS4 controller into pairing mode by simultaneously holding down the share button and the PlayStation button until the light bar begins to flash rapidly. Then, on your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, search for new devices, and select your wireless controller to pair. This provides freedom of movement, typically within a range of about 30 feet. To ensure seamless compatibility with PC games, especially titles like Fortnite, you'll need a fantastic piece of software called DS4 Windows. This application allows your PS4 controller to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, which most PC games natively support. You can easily download DS4 Windows from its official website. It bridges the gap, making your PlayStation controller feel right at home on your Windows machine, offering full functionality and customization. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open it and create a new profile. Select the Xbox 360 controller emulation option for the best compatibility with Fortnite. Make sure DS4 Windows is running in the background before you launch the game. Your PS4 controller should now be fully recognized and functional within Fortnite, giving you precise control. Experiment with the settings to find your perfect setup and enjoy your gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.